As an administrator of the Water and Habitat Resource Center, you may wish to add, update, or delete certain tags. To do so, you'll navigate over to Structure, Taxonomy, All Types. Here you'll see an overview of the various tag families interspersed with other fields, such as author, source, type, etc. To view the tags which are included within a certain family of tags, for example, facility infrastructure type, you can scroll over to List Terms. And here you'll see an overview of the various tags included under facility infrastructure type, as well as the various hierarchies and levels via which the tags are structured. So in this example, facility infrastructure type is the first level tag. It's the highest level family of tags, under which you have a second level tag, in this case buildings, a third level tag, emergency constructions, and then fourth level tags. Now, not all tagging families have fourth level tags. It may be that there's only a third level tag, or even in some cases a second level tag. But in case you wanted to reorder the structure of tags within these levels, you can drag and drop the tags. So you can select here this cross function, hold down, and you can move certain tags to go in different orders. So as I'm showing here, I'm moving tent from a fourth level tag and making it a third level tag. However, I'm not going to actually make that change in this instructional video. But that is how you would reorder tags in case you wanted to change the various leveling and hierarchies of families of tags. Now, let's say, for example, you wanted to rename a certain tag. Maybe you want to make a very small change, such as making this R lowercase and this C lowercase, so that it still says physical rehabilitation centers, but only physical is capitalized. Or maybe you want to rename the category slightly differently. So maybe you wanted, for example, to call it physical rehab centers or physical rehab infrastructures, something of the sort. You would select Edit here to the right, and you would have the option to make whatever name change it is that you want to make here. So you can retype and rename depending on whatever change it is you want to make. In case you wanted to delete a certain tag, you could go over to the right and select Delete here. However, you'll be presented with a notification that that tag is currently in use. So certain resources have been tagged with that tag, and the overview of those resources are found here. So you'll be asked to remove that tag from those resources before you were to proceed with deleting that tag. Now, in case you wanted to add a term, let's say, for example, I wanted to add, let's say, I wanted to add a term, detainment center, just as an example. I would add it and save, and I would want to refresh. So I would go back to my taxonomy, I would go back over to facility infrastructure type, list terms, and the tag, which I just added, should appear here. Let's see. It's not there yet. It may take a moment or two to appear. Let's see. We'll go back. I don't see it yet. So we'll go back to taxonomy. We'll refresh it again. We'll go over to facility infrastructure type, list terms. And I'm not yet seeing detainment center. Oh, there it is. So when you add a tag, it gets assigned to the second level automatically. So again, we are in facility infrastructure type category, that's the first level. And when we add a new tag, it gets automatically assigned to a second level. So I can decide if I want to keep this detainment center as second level, or I could drag and drop, and I could, for example, place it under place of detention, prison. Maybe I want to place it under buildings, etc. There are different ways to place it depending on what it is that I want to do. So once I've made that change, I can click Save, and then I'm good to go. Now, for the purposes of showing how to delete tags and how to proceed with that option, I'm actually just going to delete this tag that I added. I need to find it again. Here it is. Now, no resources have been tagged with this tag yet because I just created it. So I have the option to proceed with deleting it, and there's no notification saying, oh, wait, you're actually deleting a tag which is in use. So I have the option just to proceed with deleting it, and I have confirmation that it has been deleted and it no longer appears in this list of tags. So I'll just save my changes and I'm all set.